If you've ever seen those clean subscribe animations pop up on YouTube and wondered how people actually add them, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in DaVinci Resolve. By the end of this, you'll know how to remove a green screen and place your animation so it actually looks clean and professional, not cheap or distracting. Let's get into it. First, import your clips into the media pool. You'll need your main footage and your green screen animation. Now go to the Edit tab and drag your main video onto the timeline first. This is your base layer. Then take your green screen clip and place it on the track above it. This part matters. If it's not on top, the effect won't work properly. At this point, you should see the green background covering part of your video. That's exactly what we want. Now let's remove the green screen. Go to the effects library, open OpenFX, and search for 3D keyer. Drag the 3D keyer directly onto your green screen clip. Make sure the clip is selected. Now look at your viewer. You'll see a small rectangle icon. It doesn't look like much, but this is what you need. Click that icon and from the drop-down, select OpenFX Overlay. This step is where most people get stuck. If you don't enable this, nothing will happen. Once it's on, go into your viewer and click and drag across the green background. Don't just click once. Drag across different areas of green so DaVinci can properly detect it. You should see the background start to disappear right away. Now, it might not look perfect yet. That's normal. Go to the inspector and you'll see the 3D keyer settings. Here's where you clean it up. Adjust the tolerance slightly to remove any leftover green. If the edges look rough, add a small amount of blur radius to smooth them out. Keep your adjustments subtle. If you push it too far, your animation will start to look faded or broken. Once you're happy with it, go back to that rectangle icon and turn off the overlay so you can see the final result clearly. Now let's position the animation. With the clip still selected, go to the inspector and use the transform controls. Scale it down so it's not too big. Then move it into a corner. Usually bottom left or bottom right works best. Take a second here and look at your video. If your subject is on one side, place the animation on the opposite side so you're not blocking anything important. Now fix the timing. Trim the green screen clip so it only appears when it actually makes sense, like when you're asking viewers to subscribe. Leaving it on screen too long just looks lazy. 3 to 5 seconds is usually perfect. If your animation has sound, lower the volume so it doesn't overpower your voice. That's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. And one last thing. If your green screen doesn't come out clean, it's not always your fault. A lot of these clips are low quality or poorly lit, and even good settings won't fully fix that. So always start with a decent clip. And that's it. You now know how to remove a green screen and add a clean subscribe animation in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe. I'll be breaking down more simple tutorials like this so you can keep improving your edits without overcomplicating things.